Hey guys, thank you again for stopping by my video channel. I just wanted to say I'm joining Hillary over at my so-called home for the $5 Goodwill challenge, but this is not a Goodwill challenge, but it is a thrifted challenge from me for $5. And I just want to show you my thrifted find. Well, it wasn't my find, but my sister texted me a picture. She was at an auction, and I told her, bid on that table for me because I do want it. I needed a nightstand for my bedroom. So this is my $5 find. My sister bid at $5 and no one bid against her. And it was one. So believe it or not, that table was $5. Yes. Isn't it lovely? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And for $5, you're damn right. I even love it even more. So anyway, let's just take a closer look. And this is how I have it styled in my bedroom as my nightstand. As you can see right here, it's right there next to the bed. And I just put some other thrifted finds on it to make it more, you know, appeasing to the eye for me. And I just have, I'll take a closer look. Isn't it precious? I know. So anyway, that's my $5 find. It is in my bedroom, like I said, as my nightstand. I hope you enjoyed it, and I want to thank Hillary over at My So-Called Home for hosting the $5 challenge, and I'll be back with more because I think this is a fun thing to do because we can all find something for $5 that we can decorate our home with. And as always, I leave you with happy hunting while you thrift your house into a home. Bye.